वो कहते हैं ना, कहानी तुम्हारी है, हो सके तो कमाल लिखना. Hello everyone, Dr. Vanshu Atre this side, a proud alumna of the Aditya Birla Public School Viraval, and it feels so special to share with you all that I have recently completed MBBS and secured an All India rank of 5K in my first attempt in NEET PG and will be pursuing MS OBGY. ABPS was not just a school for me, it was the foundation of who I am today. The facilities here were incredible, from spacious classroom to well-equipped labs to a vibrant art room and a playground which taught us teamwork even before we knew the word teamwork. To all my juniors, remember one thing: beyond logic, magic happens. The environment at ABPS was filled with energy, encouragement, and opportunity. It was a place where curiosity was celebrated, creativity was nurtured, and competition was healthy. वो कहते हैं ना, गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े ताके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो मिलाए कबीरा, गोविंद दियो मिलाए. To all my gurus over there, I owe you everything. They weren't just teachers, they were true mentors. They guided me, corrected me, scolded me when needed, but always with love, just like our parents do. They were not only teachers, but they were our parents. They were the teachers who don't just teach, but they build a better human being. The constant stream of events and activities at ABPS taught me one of the life's most valuable lessons, that how to balance pressure with passion. As they say, na, excellence is not just a skill, it's an attitude. And trust me, this attitude you will learn while you are studying in ABPS. What truly made ABPS stand apart was its vision for holistic development. The optional subject, skill based learning, and focus on creativity made us future ready long before we realized it. The school didn't just prepare us for exam, it prepared us for life. When I was felicitated by Cerebellum Academy at Delhi recently, so Cerebellum is a coaching platform for NEET PG, I realized this achievement was not built overnight. It was built over years of values, confidence, and resilience that started right here at ABPS. To all my juniors, to all the Adityans, you will always be a family to me. Trust yourself, trust your wonderful faculty, and make the most of every moment you spend at ABPS Viraval. Learn as many as new skills you can. Stay curious and always remain open to growth. Above all, become a good human being, because that's what true success is all about. Excel in everything you do, be it academics, sports, art, painting, whatever which sets your soul on fire. Give your best shot at everything. And remember, this is not just my school, this is our school, our family. You can always reach out to me anytime in the future. I will be more than happy to connect, guide, and interact with you all. Thank you so much, ABPS Viraval, for giving me this opportunity. I will always be grateful to the family I found here, a family for life. Once an Adityan, always an Adityan. Bye bye.